Welcome back to another video. We are actually up at 4 a.m. the day before we were traveling to California. You can see we're like packing the rest of our camera stuff right here. But the reason we're up is because we are going to try to purchase the rarest camera out right now. And I want to get it so that I can get a skate photo with it. I'll explain more, but let's get some coffee first. Woo! All right, so we've been in the car for about 2 hours. We're actually in Iowa, but we're on our way to Nebraska. So this camera, it is called the FUJIFILM X100V. You can't get it like anywhere. We ordered it 7 weeks ago, and we've been told it would be 6 to 7 more months until we would ever get it.
Get that.
And I've always kind of wanted this camera because it looks like a super easy, simple point and shoot camera that you can take with you to capture like any travel stuff, any skate stuff. And we leave for California tomorrow at 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. But we wanted this camera super bad because we thought it would be such a cool opportunity to take photos of some of the Airbnbs. I've been sharing some Airbnbs with mini ramps on my Instagram. Check those out right here. You need to see this Airbnb in Big Bear that recently got a mini ramp in the woods. This cabin is another creation from Corey Keene of Keene Ramps. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath cabin that has the closest doorstep to Chair 9 at Bear Mountain. It is a rustic cabin feel, was recently renovated, sleeps 4 people, and they even have their own branded coffee mugs. If you love skiing, snowboarding, and being outside, this cabin is for you. It recently got a lot better when the Keene Ramps team decided to build this private mini ramp in the woods with a really rad mountain view. You can stay at this cabin, the Chair 9 Chalet in Big Bear, for $116 a night. Click the link in my bio to book your stay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for a full tour of this Airbnb, and share this video with a friend. But yeah, so we're headed there to check out a few different Airbnbs, and a camera became available last night at like 9:30 p.m. on Facebook Marketplace. The only problem is it's in Omaha, Nebraska. So we got up at 4 a.m. this morning. We're headed there. We're stoked for the camera, but also because we want to get a photo on the mini ramp, a very specific photo. I'll fill you in after we get that. Also, fun fact about Nebraska, there's like nothing out here, nothing. Check it out.
Except we're in Iowa.
So after months and months of searching, we finally have it. Here's what it looks like. So stinking cool. So we're gonna go pick up an SD card. We might grab coffee. If we take any photos on the way back, we have 3 hours back. I'll make sure to put them all up. So the cool thing about this camera, it's a digital camera. It looks very much like a film camera, and the photos that you take, it has a film simulation, so they look like film photos as well. It's one that I've kind of like wanted for a while, just when we travel or go on trips, we can just take photos. You can see it's pretty small, so it's like fits in your pocket, super easy. But yeah, super stoked. We're gonna see a lot of photos, I bet, come out of this, especially over our trip that we have in California. But we're gonna go back, we're gonna see if we can get a trick on the mini ramp. If we can't get it on the mini ramp, then we'll get one in California. All right, guys, we actually made it to Long Beach, California already. We wanted to film a little bit more when we got back home in Kansas City, but we had a wedding that we went to, and then just packing and the traveling, we just wanted to start filming here. We did get to shoot a bunch of photos with this camera. We've absolutely loved it. So you'll see some of the photos that we shot from the wedding. You'll see a really cool photo that we took on our backyard ramp with this as well. And then all from just traveling, our first day of traveling from here to DFW, all the way to Long Beach. It's just been an incredible time. We've loved having this camera and just traveling with it. But we wanted to wait to end this video until we were here because we got some really cool photos out on this mini ramp as well. So check these photos out. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, we traveled a ton of miles to pick this camera up. We have a bunch of really rad videos coming out from our time here in Long Beach and then also in Big Bear. Make sure to check those out. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and then if you want to try to pick up one of these, I'll put a link down below, but they are super, super hard to get. Thank you guys. Like I said, check out these videos right here for some more Airbnb videos, some travel videos, and our future mini ramp videos from this Airbnb are going to be here as well.
And as always, thanks for hanging.